Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about the case statement. So let me create a simple CDS view. Say CDS underscore case statement and case statement description. Okay, my CDS view template is ready now and I will fetch the data from VBAK table. This is the simple CDS view which we already know how to create it. Sales order and VBTYP as VBTYP and AUART and okay. So three fields I have selected and we will see how the case statement will work. Is statement 1. So there are three variations in this one. Basically, there is one. Okay. So we have three variations, and the general syntax for the case statement is you have to give a case statement and the field name here, and when, and you have to give the values or appropriate required things, and then what you have to do, you have to write your logic there. If not just one is true, then else you have to give something and you have to give end your case statement. This is the syntax for the case statement. So let me start some case statement example writing. So I will choose VBTYP and when I think there is a value as C, then I will write something as orders. So when the VBTYP is C, then it is orders, and else I will make it as others. It is not an others order, and I have to end this case statement. Shift F1. Okay, and I will be activating this case statement. Let me open this one. Okay, it is still activating. Until then, I will open this in another project for running this one, and I will do the data preview. Still, it is not activated. Okay, now it is activated, and I will do the data preview for this one. Okay, so when the VBTYP as in, then it is coming as orders. Let us see if we have any other value. Okay, when W, it is coming as others. So this is how it will work. And if you see this case statement 1, it has added as a field in your field list. This is how the case statement will work, and we have some other few examples also. Let me write some other code for the different variations in the case statement. So this is my first case statement example and case. Now I will do the case statement condition are two fields. When VBTYP equal to C and I will make use of AUART equal to I want some data for AUART. I think I already have AUART. Okay, B01 I have 01 like that, and 01 then only it should be an sales order delivery. It is just some random text I am writing, but according to your requirements, we can write the code and we can write it as when we be DYP equal to W and AUART equal to AE, then sales order with contract and hence only sales order. And you have to end your case statement to let me just activate this one. Okay. So now case statement 2 is already inserted for this one. Now it is coming as only sales order because we don't have any combination with C and 01. C and TA we have. Okay, so let me make this as TA. Now refresh the output. Okay, sales order with delivery. And if you have data with the W and AE, then this text will be present. So another field which is called as case statement 2 is also inserted in the field list. Now let us write the third case statement variation. So this is called as nested case statement. So when VBTYP, so we are taking VBTYP field for the case statement, then it is no sales order, and in the else part we will be writing the nested case statement. Case AUART, and when it is TA, then contract, else is delivery with order, and we will be ending this one and end as case statement 3. So my CDS view is activated now. Let me run this one. So my case statement 3 is also inserted in the field list. Contract, no sales order, delivery without order. We have 3 variations here. So if it is only space, there is no sales order. We don't have anything here because we don't have any entry without sales order type. And if it is TA, we have contract. Here the sales order type is AUA or is TA and it is contract. And if it is other than TA, that is delivery with order. So all the remaining places we are getting delivery with order. So now we have written some simple statements, but you can just play around with the data whatever we have here. And if you want to do some modifications, you can do. And one more thing is, here if you observe, this case statement is working at the database level. How I can show you is, so then, no, not here. Instead of contract, I will make it as VBLN and I'm activating this CDS view. Okay, now let me run this one. So here you are getting the VBLN, which is sales order number. But the alias name we have written as sales order. Let me write this one. And I will try to, okay, the column sales order is unknown. So the alias name it is not recognizing because this alias name we have given after fetching the data. But the case statement it is working at the database level, so it doesn't recognize the field of sales ORD, but it will know the field name which is as VBLN. So this way we can understand that case statement will be working at the database level, not at our application layer. So this is the 3 variations which are possible for the case statement. I hope this video is useful for you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.